Nu kan man se, kigge her for helvede. Huskid! Og så mig selv lidt. Og så nogle af de biler, der går frem. Odense 63. We are going to Germany. We are on our way. It is a motorway which is called E20. We just crossed the Danish city, and we are going to Odense. Zishan Han, yes, in UK, is our good friend. Mike, please. And Zahir Hassan, you can also see Mike. Yes. And here, Lise. We are going to Germany. Og så nalja khushkil. Og samle tere raten. Aha.